Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and controls. Adding home controls here lets you manage your smart home devices without opening the Home app every time. To add home controls to Control Center, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gear icon on your home screen. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Control Center. This section manages all the controls that appear when you swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on Customize Controls. This is where you can add, remove, and rearrange all the controls that appear in your Control Center. Look for the Home control in the More Controls section. Tap the green plus button next to Home to add it to your Control Center. You can also add individual accessories or scenes if you prefer more specific controls. In iOS 18 and later, Apple introduced a new way to add controls. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner, then tap Add a Control. Search for Home to find available widgets and controls for your smart home devices. Once you've added home controls, you can customize their arrangement. Drag controls to rearrange them in your preferred order. In iOS 18 and later, you can also resize controls by dragging the handle at the lower right corner. Now you can access your home controls anytime by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Your smart home devices are just a swipe away, making it incredibly convenient to control lights, locks, thermostats, and other HomeKit accessories. To add home controls to your lock screen for instant access, start by pressing and holding on your lock screen, then tap Customize. In the customization interface, select Lock Screen on the left side to access the lock screen controls. Remove existing controls like camera or flashlight by tapping the minus button next to them. Tap the plus button to add a new control, then select Home or a specific scene or automation from the available options. Once configured, you can control essential smart home functions directly from your lock screen without unlocking your phone, providing instant access to features like smart locks, lighting scenes, and other HomeKit devices.